Hey, lucky for me, they at least gave me one light in here with this light switch. That's just for this area. I was thinking later on I could tap into there, because see that crawl space over there? I've got to get underneath and through there. That's where I have to go. But I could easily run electrical from there across, put another light over there. I could run another light over in there if I wanted. All kinds of things you can do underneath the house. Okay, so I got to set up my my construction lights, my one construction light. You know, this thing has come in handy so many times, I can't believe it. Okay, so I got 2 extension cords. I'm going to run those over there, and then I got to crawl up through there with you following me. And we had a couple mice and rats down here, even a squirrel once upon a time, so I set some traps. This is a rat trap. Look how big that is. You notice anything? It has not gone off, and it's been sitting like that for a couple years now. Here's the other one. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You don't see it, but I do. Look at this. Ooh. Oh. Ah. Poor little bugger. I guess one did go off. That was a long time ago. Those, you have to be really careful when you set them. Okay. I thought I had seen some little mouse turds, but I hadn't noticed anything going off because I didn't see that one. They must have had 3 over here. I don't know why those 2 were so close together, but hey, in any case. Okay, I got my my construction light set up there. I think you're going to be able to see this because I want you to see me shimmy through there. You may think, how on earth is he going to do that? Well, lucky for me, I got my knee pad here, and I'm all set to go. Okay, come follow me. Got my nice knee pad here. I never go anywhere without it. Yeah. Oh. 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 Oh, there we go. Ah, yes, whew. Whew. Ah.